My name's Amanda Cropper, and I have been with Coldwell Banker HPW for 5 years. Probably check out the Flowers Plantation area. It's just a great community and part of Clayton. That's a big part of Clayton as well, but everything is just so nice and clean, and we're getting so many more like shops and restaurants, so it's definitely just an amazing area for families, young couples, first-time home buyers, and then we even have plenty of communities for older families as well. So just a little bit of everything, and it's just a great community, family feel. Oh wow, in 5 years, it's been a lot of experience because no transaction is the same. Overall though, I do love helping people. Like, that's the most important thing at the end of the day, is making sure everyone's comfortable, happy. But along the way, yeah, we definitely hit some hiccups, so sharing that with other agents and being able to hear different things that they've encountered, it's just nice because we help each other out. After going to all the open houses and riding along, and then being here and going, like, forever, I go on walks, and if there was an open house or something being built, like, I loved going to see it. So I was like, okay, maybe I should really get into it. So I took all my classes, I got licensed, and I have just loved it. I love going into new houses. I love helping families find a home, whether it's their first home or their 10th home. You know, I really enjoy the process, even with all the hiccups that can happen in real estate. I love it.